I'm very happy that on National Pets Day, lovely facility like Pets Up has come up near the airport. You see this entire area being developed, and all of you press are witness when I in fact ensured that this would bring classy projects and classy facilities and facets of development which are necessary for civil society. At that time, some central agency wanted to take this, and I ensured that they did not take this particular piece of land. It should be allowed for private development. Now, if you look along this highway next to the airport, what a lovely way it has developed. Is it not nice futuristic thinking that was there? People thought that as if I was getting the land. I did it for posterity. I did it for the public. And I am very happy that on National Pets Day, the Pets Up service has come up. You know, pets are very, very important in the day-to-day life of every person because it helps you to diffuse your tension. It helps you to build affection and love for nature, which are animals, again nature. Today with so many things happening in our society, your best friend can be your pet, your best friend can be your dog. And how affectionate dogs are, or even for that matter, other animals, including domestic cats and birds and all sorts of things. We all know how it helps you to forget all your tension when you reach home, when you fondle them, when you care for them. And that is what is the need of the hour. And that's why I'm very happy that this particular facility has come here. This Pets Up is a service which also has things for grooming of the dogs, for regular vet who will guide the people. And now they tell me they have plans even for a hostel for animals. Suppose you are going for a holiday, some people can't even go for their holiday. They wonder where to keep their pet, where to keep their lovely dog or who is used to so many people. So they are planning one such hostel, and I'll be happy it is coming up in my constituency. They are always Dabolim first. So this facility also should come first, and I'll help them to make it a reality. Animal is man's best friend. Why I'm saying it? आम्ही मुनीस म्हणल्यार कितें? Social animal. Social animal म्हणल्यार man. Man is a social animal. You agree with that? You remove that social. What do we become? What do you see the instincts in society today? आज कितें तुमी पळयता? एक एकदां social काडून उडयला दिसता. कितें उलोवप, कितें बडबडप, आनी आज सोशल मिडियान तुमची मिडिया चड जाला. एकामेका कडेन कॉम्पिटिशन. एकमेका कातरबाजी करप एक फॅशन जाल्लें आसा. वायट कितें तें वयर काडप एक फॅशन जाल्लें आसा. हें तरी जावपा ना. म्हाजी एक विनंती सगळ्यां कडेन, मातशें ऑटोमॅटीक तुमचो बदल जातलो. कीप पेट्स. All your tension will come down, all your problems, you forget half your problem, and you will become a much better natured person. म्हणजे तुजी सोयीच सगळी बदल जातली आनी मनीसूय बदलतलो. हें हांव जाणा आनी हांवें पळयलाय बीन जाता तें. आनी इट इज डिफरंट स्टडीज ऑल्सो हॅव प्रूव्ड दॅट. दॅट्स वाय व्हेरी कॉन्शियसली नॅशनल पेट्स डे म्हूण आज मनयता. म्हणून आज हांव हॅपी की हें हांगा हें केलां तें. आय कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट मिस्टर सुरेश राजपूत एंड his entire team and his family as well for putting up this facility here, which was necessary. I hope it, like many other projects I have inaugurated in this belt, they have all grown from strength to strength. म्हणजे वाढला तोही वाढचो आणि व्हडलो जावचो. थँक्यू.